Obstacle. Anything that obstructs or hinders one's progress. Since coming back from our mountain excursion, I've been really thinking about this idea of obstacles. A mountain is a pretty big obstacle, and somehow humans carved a road into this sheer rock face. This got me thinking, what if instead of seeing obstacles as roadblocks, we saw them as stepping stones towards success? Think with me for a minute. If you are encountering obstacles, this usually means you are doing something right. Obstacles rarely occur when we are stagnant. Encountering obstacles means you are moving, learning, and molding yourself toward your final goal. So let's apply this towards watercolor. This particular week, I was having a really difficult time blending two particular colors. I'm not really sure why. It could have been my paints, the paper, the humidity in the air, or just me having a really bad day. But for some reason, these colors weren't creating the blossoming effect that I so desired. Without panicking, I then kind of put my brain into problem-solving mode and came up with this hack. I first mixed a water to salt kind of solution as seen here, and then I laid that solution on my paper as a thin glaze. Next, I added my paint, which then produced this effect. So let's sum things up. First, see obstacles as stepping stones towards success. And next, by adding a bit of salt to your water, your paints can actually surf across the page on those dry, humid days. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Carrie, your watercolor misfit, and if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe and hit the bell notification if you want to know immediately when I upload new content. As always, y'all, it's been a pleasure, and I will see you in the next video.